Hi, my name is Shakil Hussain. Today I'm going to show you how you will connect VPN using your Windows 10 without using any third-party application. So let's start. First, click on your Windows Start button. This is the Start button, and then click on the setting. This is the setting panel. From the Windows setting, there is a lot of list. Just select this one, the network and internet connection. And from there select VPN. Here you see add a VPN connection, just click on it. Okay, VPN provider, I'm going to use Windows built-in. Now connection name, type your connection name. You can type any name that is relevant with your VPN. Just I'm going to VPN. And now you need to input your VPN credential. Like here's the server address. I'm going to input my server IP. I'm going to select here is automatically. There is a different type of protocol, so you need to select your protocol. You need to use username and password. So I'm going to just use my username and password. You need to put your own. So just this is my username and this is my password. Okay, I will reuse the VPN, so I am going to keep it remember. So I will next time it will don't ask me for this configuration. Now I'm going to click save. If it's success, you see the new VPN is created. I'm going to connect it. So when I will click on the VPN connect, it will show me VPN is connected if every credential is right that I provided. Okay, wait, it's verify and signing. It will take a little time for verifying. It's depend on your server. Okay, so my VPN is connected. You see the VPN connection is connected. So this is how you can connect your VPS. And now I'm going to able to browse through my VPN network. So when I will browse any website, it will show my VPN credential. That means I will use my VPN connection to browse any other website. So this is how you can connect your VPN using Windows default VPN connection tools. No need to use any third-party application. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe here.